Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Musa Mohammed, and if you're new here, please click on the subscribe button, turn on your notification icon so as to get an update when I upload a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys to an estate in Abuja. It's called Efab Global Estate. Efab Global Estate. Well, Efab Global Estate is located along Idu Karmo Expressway off Jabi Airport Road, and is also close to Idu Industrial Area, Sci-Tech International Estate, Coca-Cola Bottling Company, Federal Staff Hospital, and Turkish University. Well, the Efab Global Estate has different kind of house types, and it's sitting in 72 hectares land. It has room for 2-bedroom semi-detached bungalow with space for 2 rooms BQ, 3-bedroom detached bungalow with space for 2 rooms BQ, and also 4-bedroom detached duplex with space for 2 rooms BQ, and also a 5-bedroom detached duplex with rooms for 2 BQs. Well, this is a very nice estate. Looking at it from the video that I'm showing you guys, you have different sections of this estate. You have phase 1 and all that. As you can see, as we are driving through this estate, you can see it has a good road network straight down, and you can see there have some nice new houses here. This is actually very good for staying with your family and the rest. So without further ado, keep on watching guys. please click on the subscribe button, turn on your notification icon so as to get an update when I upload a new video. See you guys on my next video. Bye.